Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we're going to give you an update on the portfolio. We're going to show you the purchase we made, which we already know which is if you saw my previous video. We will be updating the dividend tracker as well to track our dividends at trackyourdividends.com. And we'll also update you guys on the spreadsheet for the end of the week. And so we will get right into it here and go through the portfolio here. But if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. So for the day here, for the end of the week, the portfolio is closing out at $6,864.06. We are down $10.70, down 0.16%. For the 1 week, we are down $28.03, down 0.41%. For the 1 month, we are up $121.63, up 1.8%. For the 3 months, we are up $261.65, up 3.96%. And for the 1 year, if it loads, never does, sometimes it does, we're up $1,182.69, up 20.82%. And same for the all since starting this portfolio. So the first position we have in here is Bell Canada, ticker symbol BCE, closing out at $65.73, down 22 cents, down 0.33%. Here is the snapshot of the position here. And again, that is Bell Canada, ticker symbol BCE. Next position we have here is Bank of Montreal, ticker symbol BMO, closing out at $127.73, down 8 cents on the day, down 0.06%. Here is the snapshot of the position here. And again, that is Bank of Montreal, ticker symbol BMO. Next position we have here is Bank of Nova Scotia, ticker symbol BNS, closing out at $78.12, down 19 cents on the day, down 0.24%. Here is the snapshot of the position here. And again, that is Bank of Nova Scotia, ticker symbol BNS. Next position we have here is Cisco Systems Inc., ticker symbol CSCO, closing out at $59.42 USD, down 11 cents on the day, down 0.18%. And those who have seen the last video, this is the position we have updated today. So now we have 4 shares of this. Total position value of $237.68 USD. Average price of getting in is $54.43 USD. Holds about 4.45% of the portfolio. Today's return is down 49 cents, down 0.2%. And our total return since owning the position in capital appreciation is $19.97, up 9.17%. Here is the current buy for today. So we bought in at 1 share this morning at $59.5759, which came into a cost of $59.58 USD, exchange rate of 1.2714. This includes the 1.5% fee. Total cost of $75.74 Canadian. So we will leave that for now. And again, that is Cisco Systems Inc., ticker symbol CSCO, and we will head over to track your dividends and update this as soon as we get through the portfolio. Next position we have here is Loblaws Co's, ticker symbol L, closing out at $89.81, up 24 cents on the day, up 0.27%. Here is the snapshot of the position here. And again, that is Loblaws, ticker symbol L. Next position we have here is Manulife Financial Corporation, ticker symbol MFC, closing out at $24.42 Canadian, down 8 cents on the day, down 0.33%. Here is the snapshot of the position here. And again, that is Manulife Financial Corporation, ticker symbol MFC. Next position we have here is Qualcomm, ticker symbol QCOM, closing out at $144.63 USD, down 49 cents on the day, down 0.34%. Here is the snapshot of the position here. And again, that is Qualcomm, ticker symbol QCOM. Just a side note on Qualcomm, with the new iPhone release that is potentially coming up here later this month. Just so we are aware, in the new iPhones, I do believe that Qualcomm is the chip maker for that. So we should see something out of that, maybe some growth, anything of the sort, because they are a provider of a chip for the iPhones currently. And so just keep an eye out for that if you are looking at Qualcomm as a potentially new position or increasing the position. And again, that is Qualcomm, ticker symbol QCOM. Next position we have here is Royal Bank of Canada, ticker symbol RY, closing out at $129.48, down 17 cents on the day, down 0.13%. Here is the snapshot of the position here. And again, that is Royal Bank of Canada, ticker symbol RY. Next position we have here is TELUS Corporation, ticker symbol T, closing out at $29.18, down 8 cents on the day, down 0.27%. Here is the snapshot of the position here. And again, that is TELUS Corporation, ticker symbol T. Last position we have here is Toronto Dominion Bank, ticker symbol TD, closing out at $82.45, down 4 cents on the day, down 0.05%. Here is the snapshot of the position here. And again, that is Toronto Dominion Bank, ticker symbol TD. We currently have $59.96 in the cash account. Every week we do put $100 a week. Comes out, I think, every Saturday, but doesn't go into like Monday or Tuesday. And that is on a RIP, so a regular investment plan for $100 a week. Here is the watch list, and a viewer did ask me to go through my watch list and ask how did I create that. I'm sure I'll make a video in the future for that. So just a shout out to that guy, because I still in the plans, still in the works, still trying to figure out what would I talk about and how do I make that decision, and not just because they are massive companies, as we know. So that is the portfolio update for the end of the week. For the day, pretty average day. 1 week we are down, but the month we are up, so all good is there. So we'll head over to Cisco Systems Inc. We'll go down to the position here, and we will head over to trackyourdividends.com, where we will update the position. So this is in Canadian, so we will switch this to US in a bit here. So currently on the Canadian side, dividend yield is 3.42% if you build this portfolio as it stands without the updated position. Yield on cost for us, because we dollar cost average into all these positions, regardless of the price, because we should save to invest and consistently put our money to work. And here is the, oh, sorry, I already talked about that, but it's 4.22%. Our annual income for the year is $229 projected, and that is on the Canadian side without the updated position. So what we'll do is we'll change over to the US side. Currently, it is worth $5,340 US. We are down $87. Dividend yield currently is 3.42%. If you're to build a portfolio today in US dollars, and our yield on cost is 3.36%, and the annual income coming in is $182 US, which is like $1 million Canadian because of the exchange rate. Just kidding. So here is the portfolio here. So what we're going to do is go down to Cisco Systems Inc., which is here, ticker symbol CSCO. We currently have 3 shares. Closing price came in at $59.42. It was down 11 cents today. And our average cost of getting in is $52.71, and our profit currently is $20.13 US. Dividend yield today is 2.49%, and our yield on cost is 2.81, with an annual dividend of $4.44. So we'll go ahead and add a add bulk upload. No, what the heck? Nope. Oh, up here, add holding, and the ticker symbol for Cisco Systems Inc. is CSCO. Number of shares we bought today was 1 at a price of $59.58. We'll go ahead and well, I wonder if I can put in 59.5759. Does that work? Oh, and it does. Okay, so the position now, Cisco Systems Inc. now has 4 shares. The price today, as you know, average cost of getting in is now $54.43. Profit of now $19.96, so it did go down. Dividend yield as of today, and our yield on cost is 2.72, which brings our annual income up to $5.92 US. So we'll go ahead and switch this back to Canadian, just so we have Canadian numbers. Our portfolio now is coming in at $6,783 Canadian. We're up $1,297 on that end. This does not include the cash account, just the positions we hold. Yield on cost is now gone to 4.21%. Our annual income has increased to $231 a year. We'll go down to the position here. Cisco Systems Inc. is still the lowest paying dividend for annual amount wise. So average cost again is $54.43. Profit of $80.88. For some reason, I feel like that number is not right, which is not. I think it's just doing the conversion rate from US to Canadian. Yield on cost is 3.42%, which is great. And yeah, just for those that are curious about the 15% withholding tax on this, because it's in a tax-free savings account, because it's a US dividend stock, all that means, because some people really get bothered by that for some reason. To be honest, again, I think I did post this in a comment. I think people worry about it that too much. So essentially what I do is take the 3.42% and I times that by 0.15 to equal to 15, and that's 0.51%. So essentially the dividend yield is no longer 3.42, it's 2.91%. And that's how I look at it. And so there's not too much of a difference there. And then same thing with the exchange rate. It's included in the exchange rate, and the 1.5%. Honestly, I've paid exchange rates before, and I've paid them at the bank to get US funds. I've paid them in other parts of the world. And for some reason, it doesn't bother people there, but for some reason, it makes people just like get out of their seat because I pay that fee. So I just want to talk about that a little bit, because honestly, it's not a big deal to me. And I think it's honestly on the very close to the bottom of the list of my worries of people trying to build wealth in their own right. And so just wanted to throw that out there just so that everyone is aware. Yes, I am aware I pay a 1.5% exchange rate fee, and there is a 15% withholding tax. Trust me, I do know that. And doing the math, it's pennies on the dollar, and it's not breaking the bank. Okay, no one complains about the 5% tax here or the taxes in Canada in general. A lot of people complain about the tax rate. They're like, oh, that's too bad, but it's well, it's not essential, but it's just part of the business, I guess. And as we know, if we continue to want these benefits, the company's got to make money somehow. And just because they take a little bit from you doesn't mean it's the end of the world for you in your wealth building journey. And so just wanted to throw that out there. So that is the dividend tracker. I will throw up the spreadsheet here, and we'll talk about that. So for September, we have earned a total amount of dividends of $22.94. For the year, we have so far earned $118.59. Year-over-year growth is 583% from last year. Of course, last year we only had 3 months worth of dividends, but we will use that as the benchmark for now. Next year will be a bit more of an accurate number when it comes to growth in dividends. Net deposits this year is $3,811.37. That includes any referrals. Link down below if you want to use that to get the value of, I think, up to 2 free stocks. Don't quote me on that one. The next one is the total amount invested since we started this portfolio, which is $5,681.37. And the market value, as you can see on the screen, which is $6,864.06. And so that brings our performance for the year of 7.98% for the year. And so that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, that's the end of the week. The week has been a interesting week, pretty stagnant. Nothing big came out of this week, which is fine. The majority of the time, it should just be pretty normal. Minimal growth. High growth would be nice, but it is what it is. That's the market for you. So have a great weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to. Totally optional, but totally free. And we'll see you in the next one when we do our dividend video. We break down which dividend stocks paid us to come out to the amount of $22.94. So have a great weekend, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.